How's everybody doing? This is SRK Survival coming at you with another video. The subject matter today is the Hill People gear, Prairie Belt, as well as some of their pouches, and the M2016 Buttpack. It's a great system for when you're doing maybe some day hikes on the trail, or maybe you like to base camp. You have a Hill People gear larger pack, and the Prairie Belt is going to be your waist belt on that pack. So when you're base camping, pop this off, you have your pouches on it. You can mount this butt pack onto it, and you have a great day hiking rig, so you don't have to carry all your gear with you. And it's very modular. All this stuff connects to, I have a Ute, one of their larger backpacks that this all connects to. When I base camp, pop it all off, put the butt pack on the back of this, and I'm good for any day hikes that I'm doing. It's a great system. Let's just start. We'll start here and work our way around. So this is, I have it unloaded right now minus the water bottles. So this is one of the general purpose pouches. It has a little bit of organization here. Just some pouches there, or not pouches, but little slots. There's a larger one in the back and then two smaller ones in the front. I know it's hard to see, but it's just like any of the other pouches that you've seen, or any other organizational stuff that they have that you've seen in the other videos. It's the same thing in these. Very simple, simple and easy. It's not going to break, and it's customizable to what you want to do. So general purpose pouch, very nice. Not too much more I can say about that. Good for granola bars, paracord, maybe a flashlight, compass. Good to go there. And this is one of their bottle holsters. It's the smaller one for a bike bottle. I like it because it takes less room up on the Prairie Belt. Gives me more space for whatever else I want to carry on here, whether it's another pouch, or maybe put a carabiner on here for my gloves or whatever. Has this keeper here and holds the water bottle pretty well. Emergency drinking water, pretty cool. Fits in there perfectly. And it also has, if you can see here, has mounts for when it's on the actual backpack, but also if you want to do like an H harness, old school, you know, you're in the Army before, what, like 2001, and you had the load-bearing equipment from the Vietnam War. You like the old school stuff. This is like the new version of the old school stuff. So pretty cool there. On the back here, I have the M2016 Buttpack. It has that PALS webbing, laser cut on the back. It's a vertical, so if you want to mount like a knife or something, it's easily drawn with your support hand, or if you're lefty, it's going to be your strong hand. There's Velcro on the inside of this, so you can put some Velcro pouches. Right now I have these tucked in because they're not set up, but this right here, this G-hook would connect right here on the belt. And then this is where your H harness would go, this one up here, if you can see that. But this strap right here goes around, so you can cinch it down, keep this butt pack as compressed as possible to your back, so it's not flying everywhere like the old school Vietnam era butt pack. So you have that on the outside. On each side you have a spot you could put like a knife, magazine, pouch, whatever, with two columns of MOLLE there. This opens up, clamshell, or if it's mounted like this with them attached to the belt, it's only going to open up so far because of how it's mounted like that, which is cool, so all your stuff doesn't fall out. Has more of that PALS cut, laser cut, MOLLE webbing, PALS webbing, really great. Again, dapper pouches, whatever you're doing in there. Then on this side, it has a mesh zippered pouch for any smaller items to keep it organized. Note, if it's pouring down rain, you're in a downpour for a long period of time, this will soak through and your stuff will be wet, so make sure to either treat this with some waterproofing, or what I do is get some dry bags from Walmart and waterproof my stuff, or handy dandy freezer bag, Ziploc. So that's pretty much the M2016 Buttpack that they make. On the bottom, there's straps that they're not mounted here. There, so you can mount whatever poncho liner, mountain serape to this. So it's pretty awesome. Lots of features, but it is pretty easily organized to what you need it for. So pretty cool. Also, you can take it off of the belt, and it comes with some grim locks. There's mounts here and here, so you can use it kind of like a camera bag or a man purse. Pretty cool that way too, if you're going to the zoo with the kids, or I don't know, whatever you're doing, if you're traveling somewhere and like to have a trauma kit, you know, all that basic stuff on you. This is a good option. And it's tactical looking, I suppose, but not as bad as some other options that are on the market there. Move it around, same thing on this side, general purpose pouch and a water bottle holster. The clip on the front is a cobra buckle, some sort of plastic polymer. Works really well. Cinches down. Pull it from the, pull it this way, so it's not awkward when you're tightening it up. Cinches down, doesn't come loose. I really like it. I do also like that the Prairie Belt has a lot of surface area there. Okay, so there's a decent amount of padding, a lot of surface area, so it doesn't move very much. Whenever you put this on, it's locked down to your body, and it's not going to be sliding everywhere because of that surface area. Hypalon material in the back. This butt pouch, Velcro comes off, and it can come off pretty easily if I would unhook those things. So if you didn't have the butt pouch or the butt pack on here, this is what it'd look like. I just have some paracord and some little keepers here, so I could throw a poncho or something in here if I didn't want to use the butt pack for whatever reason. And then your staves that would go in your main backpack go in here and here, and then Velcros around if you're putting a larger backpack on here, and you're good to go. The mounting system on here is not laser cut. This is for the Prairie Belt. It is regular MOLLE webbing, as you can see there. 2 rows. Everything fits really nicely. Made in America. Good quality. Made by First Spear. Designed by Hill People Gear out of Colorado. So if you have any other questions about this, feel free to comment below. Hopefully I didn't sum this up. Not too wordy. If you guys have any recommendations for me that would make these videos better, I'm all for it. Just comment below, shoot me a message or whatever. I am always a student, learning as much as possible. So if you guys have some constructive criticism, that'd be great. Hopefully these are informative videos and you get something out of them. Feel free to like it, share it, all that good stuff. This is SRK Survival. We'll see you next time.